Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. I hope that you all have gone through the text of Leaving the Valley, and in our previous class we had discussed the question answers reference to context questions. I think you all have gone through those question answers and you have written the answers in your own words, right? Okay. So today we will concentrate on the word wall part and grammar time part of the same text. In our word wall part, we are having suffixes. Now, what is a suffix? A suffix is an affix where it can be a letter or a group of letters and it's added to the end of a word in order to make it another word, right? Now, as for example, if you take the word enjoy, okay, so with the word enjoy, if we add ment, meant, it becomes enjoyment, right? So here we are adding the word letters ment, okay, group of letters, and it becomes enjoyment, okay, from enjoy to it becomes enjoyment. So we are having two types of affixes, prefix and suffix. Here we will discuss about suffix only, though prefix is pre, the word only says it's added at the beginning, whereas suffix is added at the end, okay. As one example I will give on prefix part, that is the word regular. You all are following the class regularly, I think. If you don't follow the class regularly, you will be considered as irregular. So IR, this is added with regular and it becomes irregular, just the opposite of the same word, okay. But here in suffix, the word only changes into to make another word, but not exact the opposite all the time, right? Now here let us focus on the suffix only. As for example, I have written two words over here, better, with the word better, good, better, best. With the word better, if we add ment, it becomes betterment, right? With the word music, if we add al, it becomes musical. Now for the first two words, if we add meant with better, the spelling doesn't change, only the word is added. With music, if we add al, it becomes musical. There also spelling doesn't change, only the word is added over here. Only the letter is that group of letters, two letters are added over here. Now next comes a different thing of the suffix only. The spelling of some words change when a suffix is added. With the word 12, if we add th, it becomes 12th. Now see, the V turns into F, okay, and the at the end of the word 12, the vowel, it somehow vanishes, right? So this VE becomes F. Now again the word terrible, with terrible if we add ly, it becomes terribly. So one L and one E, that is also vanished. So I think you all have understood suffix, okay. So in the word wall part, we are having suffixes and we are having a box, a chart we need to fill up with certain words. We are given some hint regarding that and we need to find out the words from our text only. So whether you all have gone through the text minutely or not, in order to check that, I will discuss on that particular part after you finish the work, means after you complete the worksheet provided today along with this video, right? So when I will complete my discussion, you all will go and do the worksheet, and when you all will come back, then I will discuss that part. Okay, now let's focus on the next part, grammar time. In grammar time part, we are having nouns. I know you all know that noun is a naming word that names a person, a place, a thing, an animal, a condition, or an activity, right? As for example, two sentences written over the here. See, I stood on a roof looking at the mountains. Mountains. Far away I saw Mount Ella. Okay. Here see two words, mountains and Mount Elam. It's written in a different way than the other part of the sentence. So both the words mountains and Mount Elam, one is specifying a particular mount and another word it says in general. Okay, so both the words are nouns, right? Now how many types of nouns we are having? We are having 5 types of nouns. Yes. What are they? That is, they are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. We will be focusing here according to our text as it is given over here only on the proper and common noun. Proper noun is something that provides, a proper noun is a noun that provides a name to a particular person or a particular place or a particular thing, okay, even a particular animal. But common noun is, it will be addressing a sense in general. Like if I say, you all know that I maximum time I cannot remember all the names, but I know each one of you, right? That you all know very well. So as for example, if I say Humtuata, all of you are very dear of mine. Okay, if I say, as for example, if I say Shoham, okay, so Soham, that is the name of a boy. I didn't say boy, I say Soham. As soon as you all heard the name, you all got the point. Okay, Miss is uttering name of a boy. So the name Soham is proper noun, and you all got the information, that is, she is uttering name of a boy. So the word boy is common noun. As for example, if I give a girl's name, if I utter a girl's name, that is okay, Alisha. Okay, Alisha is the name of a girl. As soon as I uttered the word Alisha, you all got the proper noun, that is Alisha, and you all got the hint that it's a name of a girl. The word girl is common. Okay, common noun. So here you will find a table, person, as per our text. If we go for it, person, that is Malala, place Swat. If I say animals, it can be camels or camel or cow, dog, anything. Things, it can thing, name of a thing, that can be bag. Okay, quality or emotion or idea, that can be sadness, joy, activity, event, that is birthday or birthday party. Okay, so this is what we have in our grammar time part. Okay, we are having compound noun also along with this, which I will discuss on the next day. Now I want all of you to pause the video right here. Okay, then go open the PDF file. First you all open the worksheet part. First do the work, whatever work is given on the worksheet, you do that first, because study material you will focus later on, because whatever I have discussed over here, if required, again you all can listen the video from the beginning. Okay, whatever you all have learned today or the previous days, the worksheet is based on that only. So my first instruction, my first wish or request is that you all open the worksheet, do the work first, then come back, then we will discuss, then you can read the study material also afterwards. Okay, but first you all do the worksheet, then come back, then let us continue with whatever is there, then we will go for the study material part. Okay, now let's start our worksheet. Okay, I will be waiting. I know you all will definitely do the work. Yes, okay.